Deride is a verb that means to ridicule, mock or express contempt for someone or something. It involves speaking or acting in a way that belittles or dismisses, often with sarcasm or disdain. The word typically conveys a strong sense of scorn or condescension. The origins of deride. The word deride comes from the Latin deridere, which combines duet to down, with ridere to laugh. Thus, its literal meaning is to laugh at. The word entered English in the late 15th century and has retained its sense of mocking or ridiculing someone or something. First, how to use deride. Deride is used in formal or serious contexts to describe actions or speech that show ridicule or contempt. Example sentences. The critics derided his latest novel as overly simplistic and cliched. She refused to let the bullies deride her ambitions. The politician derided his opponent's proposal, calling it unrealistic and poorly planned. Similar words. Mock, to ridicule or make fun of, often in a cruel way. Ridicule, to subject someone to dismissive or scornful laughter. Scorn, to treat with disdain or contempt. Taunt, to provoke or challenge someone with mocking remarks. Nuances of deride. Condescending tone implies a sense of superiority in the person doing the mocking. Hurtful intent often involves deliberate ridicule meant to belittle or demean. Serious versus playful. Unlike playful teasing, deride is more severe and negative in tone. Antonyms of deride. Praise, to express admiration or approval, commend, to speak highly of or recommend. Respect, to show esteem or honor. Encourage, to inspire confidence or support. Cultural and social usage. Deride is often used in contexts involving intellectual, political, or cultural disagreements. For example, critics may deride a controversial work of art, or politicians may deride opposing policies, to dismiss them as unworthy or flawed. It can also be used to describe personal interactions where someone is mocked for their ideas, behavior, or appearance. A key takeaway. Deride is a sharp, pointed word that underscores the act of mocking or belittling someone or something with contempt. Its use often highlights the negativity or arrogance in the act of ridicule, making it a powerful term to describe scornful behavior. Subscribe.